DJ Moody, call reviews app, take one.
Hi, my name is DJ Moody, and I am an enrollment systems analyst with Brandman University. I've made the call reviews app. You know, call quality for our center, I work in an enrollment coaching center, we do a lot of support for students, and call quality is incredibly important. It's the first piece of the student experience. And so what this does is it allows our trainers and our managers to support their students. So it's going to give a great opportunity for them to really focus on the coaching, focus on the support for the students, and make sure that we're not only delivering great call quality, but now, which we haven't been able to do in the past, reporting effectively on call quality so that we can set up correct trainings and make sure that everybody's doing the right things. It's going to make our call review process a lot faster. We can do it by mobile. I'll be showing you that in a few minutes. We can also do it on the computer. And it's more flexible, so we can add and change pieces of the app quickly, as opposed to the current solution, which is incredibly labor intensive to try to change any little piece, and it throws reporting right out the window when we do that. So we're going to have more consistent reporting, it's going to be more flexible, it's also going to be something that's shareable, so we actually are automatically sharing great calls, we're also sharing calls that are non-compliant, so we can make sure we're legally all right. So as you can see here, we have our coach and our reviewer who are set up here. These are lookups, so we don't have to add any new users into it. We have our call recording notification, which is incredibly important legally. And then you can go through and add all of your different notes and scores as we go down through, including selecting the most impactful element as well as the main opportunity. So these are fantastic opportunities just to keep all that data in one place. Again, this is how you can do that mobile. We'll save that and go on to our chatter feed. Shareability is incredibly important for our users. It's, again, not something we've been able to do very much up until now, but with this new app, what we'll be able to do is actually automatically post to chatter when we have a great call. As I mentioned, we're also going to be automatically emailing leadership when we have a non-compliant call, so we can follow up on that immediately. And then I'll also show you the reportability that we had talked about. Here's just a quick dashboard with the average team call score. So our assistant directors can keep track of what their coaches are doing and how their coaches are succeeding in their apps, and then or in their calls. And then here's a call score by coach. So you can see not only how many calls have we had from the coach that have been reviewed, so we can make sure that we're balancing that. And as you can see here, we're a little out of whack with Charlie having a ton of calls and me having none. Or only one. But you can also see our call scores, so you can get a sense of who's doing better, who's doing worse, where do we need to put some focus. So great opportunities there. Developing the app was a great puzzle. Anybody who knows me knows that I love a good puzzle, and so coming up with how can we make this experience better for our agents is an absolutely fantastic experience. And then the other piece is I get a lot of my energy from being able to support my team. And this app is going to solve a problem that we've had for the entire length of the time that I've been with the center, and really since the center opened. So it was just incredibly exciting to see that Salesforce was an opportunity to build something out where we could solve that problem, get that reportability, and really make sure that the experience day to day for our coaches and our managers was better. I have a little bit more development I want to do on it, scrub it up a little bit, get particularly user feedback. So I want to take some people in, demo it, and make sure that I'm incorporating anything that they would need. But then I want to sell the hell out of it. I really want to make sure that everybody at our university knows how we can use this app, what this app can do, and how we can use Salesforce as a flexible tool to support not just the student interactions that we're having and the marketing interactions that we're having, but really the interpersonal employee-to-employee interactions that we're having, and make sure that our call quality is as good as it can be.